you are able to revise the classes. And again, consolidation is the key. So whatever you have studied, if you will forget or if you will just ignore, then after 2-3 months, if you will study, you will again find it everything new. So more than reading new, what is important is revision. And you can see that still significant number of questions come from NCERT. Though from not all NCERTs, but I think even geography NCERT is being revised. So preparation NCERT means actually very good start for your mains preparation and prelims preparation based otherwise. So take it seriously. Anything else you want to share? Any test kuch kara hai inka? History, you liked history? Now polity. Society हो गया. Society आया आपको समझ में? Society is important not just from GS point of view. Even that knowledge will give you a base for writing essays. Right? So social issues. And another thing is, you should, do you read newspapers? Yes. But do you understand? Huh? Not exactly. So there is no need to read editorial page, only read explained page. Right? So explained page and make a register, and even if means something is better than nothing. Fine. So, and knowledge builds up gradually. So even if you are noting down one thing, still it is taking a step further. And have a habit of writing. Whenever you study, write. Because when you write, you understand and things get registered. Psychologically, our mind operates in a way that when we do oral, then we miss out many things. So learning techniques are also very important, and keep on writing things, your notes. And you should never think, I have made notes once and they are forever. No, because notes will keep on changing. Why notes keep on changing? Because as you will study, suppose you study economy, you study geography, you will get multiple perspectives. So same book, when you will study second time, you will find some other content. You will find, because interpretations changes. Fine. So keep on revising your own notes. Find out ways how to make it interesting. You can have flashcards, you can have different ways, you can organize quizzes. If you all are there, ultimately UPSC exam is what? It's a personality exam. And what you have to do? You will have to do leadership. Fine. So take an opportunity, like this is a small group. Do I have skills? Do I have social intelligence? Fine. So can I talk with others? Can I make friends with others? Can I plan out something? You can plan some trip or try to find out. Focus should be on development of your personality. Fine. Without development of personality, this exam is not about bookish exam. This is not academics exam. So, and you will never get time. Just see, experiment. If you speak, you all are a group now, right? So you can plan a group activities. You can take initiatives on your own. You can share, you can say, all of us will read paper. I will take up this particular issue. Initially, right now I'm not getting time, but earlier I used to give different books to the students. One book, I used to divide the chapters and I used to allocate different chapters to different students. And I used to tell, go and prepare a presentation, speak in front, let others ask. So one of you yourself can become. Is anybody interested in some leadership type of things? So do it. Think what you can do with your group, fine, and ensure that, because your own effort and effort of so many people, you should know how to use effort of others for yourself. ठीक है, तो लीड लो. ये सारी चीजें जब आप, क्या होता है ना, आप हेजिटेंट होते हैं, तो इंटरव्यू बोर्ड तक एकदम मेंस के रिजल्ट के बाद आपकी पर्सनालिटी ग्रूम नहीं होगी. तो अभी से अभी सब बराबर के लेवल पे है. जिसको भी लगता है अपनी पर्सनालिटी में ये कमी है, आई एम शाई, आई एम रिलेक्टेंट, देन ट्राई टू इम्प्रूव ऑन दैट. क्योंकि हम अगर वो इम्प्रूव नहीं करेंगे तो हम जो भी, मान लो अभी भी टाइम हम लगा रहे, वो हम वेस्ट ही करने वाले, इफ यू डोंट गेट द एंड रिजल्ट ऑफ इट. तो नो योर वीकनेस एंड, मतलब एक दूसरे पे इंप्रेशन नहीं क्रिएट करना है, लेकिन एक दूसरे को हेल्प करके सबको अपना इम्प्रूवमेंट करना चाहिए. तो ऐसे बनाओ कि क्या क्या तरीके हो सकते हैं, रिवीजन के तरीके क्या हो सकते हैं. हर चीज टीचर भी नहीं करा पाएंगे, ठीक है. तो मेक अ ग्रुप, यू कैन ऑर्गेनाइज अ क्विज, समवन कैन टेक द लीड, यू कैन कम्युनिकेट टू शुभांशु सर. ठीक है, चलो, थैंक यू. एंड एवर एनी प्रॉब्लम, यू ऑल वेलकम, यू कैन ऑलवेज मीट मी. ओके, थैंक यू. और दूसरा, एंड विच स्किल हैज टू बी डेवलप्ड, सबसे ज्यादा लैंग्वेज. ठीक है, बिकॉज मेंस पेपर इज लैंग्वेज. एंड हाउ लैंग्वेज डेवलप्स? बाय रीडिंग. तो व्हाट यू कैन रीड? पेपर. तो लैंग्वेज को अगर आप डेवलप करेंगे, एंड अगेन इन यूपीएससी डैफ इज द मेन थिंग by which questions are asked. They ask for your hobbies so that they know the area from where you will be comfortable and ask question. So I'll say make book reading your habit. I myself realize that any day if I read from a book even 5-10 pages, my knowledge, understanding improves in a geometrical proportion. Because I get new expression, I get new language. So, and without being genuine, you will not get success. ठीक है, the only basis to be successful is integrity. Fine. So be genuine, make efforts. Otherwise, neither fool yourself nor your parents, nor ultimately हम किसी और को बेवकूफ बनाते हैं तो खुद ही बन जाते हैं. ठीक है, चलो, थैंक यू.